Yeah.
Sticker, Mommy?
Open it up. Tear it open.
No, it's not a window sticker.
Uh-oh.
You tear it open. Tear it open.
Are they gonna know what it is?
Tear
No.
it open.
Okay.
Ooh.
Fold the paper hard. Let him do it. You can do it.
Yeah.
Oh, look what a cute sticker.
Oh, there you go.
Mickey Mouse.
Come on, Mo.
What is it?
Mickey Mouse.
It's got a lot of paper on it. That's
What is that?
That's my phone.
What?
Mickey Mouse. I want to wear them.
Let's see it.
What
does
is it,
it
Lily?
say?
No, it's a
Mickey
shirt.
Mouse Clubhouse.
What's it
yeah.
say, David?
It says Davis on it.
I don't know.
Look at that.
You don't know.
Davis
It
on
has
it.
curly letters.
I want to wear
It
them.
says Lily. Lily.
Oh, nice.
You like that? And what's this right here?
Name on it, Lily.
What is
Can
that?
we wear them?
That is David. No,
See, that's it.
Mickey Mouse.
One
That's
ticket.
Card for me.
Yeah. What? Look over here. What does that say? What number is that?
One.
What does that say right there? Do you know?
What?
It's the letter T. It says one ticket.
Yeah.
It's a ticket. Where do you think it could be a ticket to?
I want to like that.
You don't know?
Mommy.
Where does Mickey Mouse live?
Clubhouse.
Yeah.
Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
But where
Does
could
he
we go?
live
Where
real?
could we go see Mickey Mouse?
Disney World.
Yeah.
Is that a ticket to Disney World?
It's a ticket to Disney World. So hey, so how about after school gets out in a few weeks? How about we go down to Disney World as a family?
Yay! Yay!
You'll fall asleep in the car? Okay.
I
Alright.
want to be in the car too.
And then,
You're so
I'm
lucky.
tired.
You're tired.
Ride that there.
and yeah, we can play with ride and rides there.
Yeah.
And what if maybe we have some extra tickets that we could give to Granny and Pops and they could come with us?
Yay!
Pops and Granny too?
Can we wear my coat?
You're gonna wear them to Disney World when we go to Disney World, okay?
Looky there.
Oh,
It says
that's nice.
Lily. That says Davis.
I think it's under Mickey Mouse. Granny.
Hold it up so Dad can take a picture of it.
Move back. Well,
Oh, put it down. I can't see your
put it,
face.
yeah, like that, like you got it on.
There you go.
Disney